Welcome to my project bazaar.com. Our project title is a novel economic sharing model in a federation of selfish cloud providers. The main contribution of this paper is to propose a work model interaction among the cloud providers as a repeated gain among selfish players that aim at maximizing their profit. Then they propose to first establishes that the uncertainty in future revenue can act as a participation incentive to sharing the repeated gain. The model incorporates historical and expected future revenue as part of the virtual machine sharing decision. The model employs a simple grim trigger strategy where a cloud provider is threatened by the elimination of a future virtual machine hosting by other cloud providers. This is the flow of the project. Initially, cloud providers evaluate the usage of the clients, then the user with evaluation communicate with the clients. The clients can be classified as guaranteed users and spot client users. The guaranteed users and the spot client users are undergoes under calculation expected resources, weight, and revenue. Then the calculated events are sent to the broker. The broker stores the data into the database. The database calculates the task prediction and calculate the total demand based on the Markov model. The Markov model evaluates the available resources which can evaluate the low cost evaluation. The low cost evaluation is allocated to the user based on demand. The allocated demands are calculated the profit evaluation. The overall performance evaluations are calculated based on the potential profit evaluation. This is demo of the project. Initially, cloud providers share their resources to the spot clients and the guaranteed users. In this, provide the resources and the capacity revenue details are evaluated. Then capacity revenue details are calculated as follows. Cloud providers can provide the resources in the three ways for the specified users. These are the providers resources for the cloud providers. Second, which is specified for the users or clients. Capacity revenue details are shown here. Initially, cloud providers provides their resources to the capacity of the analysis to the clients, which are embedded with the cloud. Then we add the resources for the client on the basis of guaranteed users. User requests to the cloud providers as they specified to the shared resources. Initially, choose the task. The selected task with expected resources, their weight, and the revenue details, and overall price will be calculated. Then the data selected are sent to the broker. Request sent to the broker. Correspondingly, the spot request of the client can be evaluated. Spot client also requested to the cloud. If you are already authenticated to the spot client, you just authenticate the user and their password. If the users are authentication verified successfully, we can enter the spot authentication and choose task, their expected resource, and select the timer and also the client revenue value, then send to the broker. The broker can receive the client request. These are the data received from the guaranteed users, and these data are received from the Spot clients. Then the task list can be calculated. Total demand are evaluated on the basis of Markov chain. Then we select the low resources and run the server which is corresponding to the guaranteed users. Then the guaranteed received task are calculated. The allocate tasks are received on the guaranteed received. Then the received data send task to the client. In this, we can receive the data from the client. The client sends the data, server sends the data to the client, which is similar to activate act on the server side. Thus, through the process, ending the process to the Spot, then we can run the client trial. The allocated the Spot clients are received here. Then the data change to Spot server is on. Data received on the Spot clients. Then we go for client. Both the data on guaranteed users and the Spot clients. The cloud providers share the resources between guaranteed and Spot clients users with the profit values on the basis of their request. Thank you.